Hi there, I'm Duncan, a product manager at Propeller. Today, let's walk through how to create, view, and modify composite surveys with the new Composite Builder. Let's dive in. Creating a composite is simple and you have three options. Option 1, go to the survey picker in the top menu and click Create Composite, providing a name and date. Then, continue to add surveys from the Survey Explorer, clicking Merge when the map is to your liking. Option 2. If you are on a particular survey and have already visualized your map, you can simply click Create New Composite rather than starting from scratch. If you want to reuse an existing composite, click Duplicate on the composite you'd like to build from. This creates a new version with the same surveys, which you can modify as needed. One of the most powerful features of the new Composite Builder is the control it gives you over your composition. You can reorder or exclude layers using the Reorder icon in the Survey section. Dragging a survey to the top of the list ensures it sits on top of other surveys on the map. Unchecking layers excludes them from the composition. If you want to remove a survey from your composite, use the Overflow menu and click Remove from Composite. Partial level crop is supported and allows you to change the crop boundary of a survey for this composition only. Cropping allows you to trim the jagged and inaccurate edges and customize what's visible on the map. To crop your composite, open the Workflow menu for the survey you'd like to crop and select Crop Partial Survey. This opens a focused crop editor, letting you adjust the boundary for that survey while keeping other surveys visible for context. Here we can see the survey that is stacked on top has had its edges cleaned up. To remove a crop, go back to the Overflow menu and select Delete Partial Crop. And that's it. With the new Composite Builder, you now have more control, flexibility, and power than ever before, whether you're working with drone surveys, ground-based surveys, or both. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out, and stay tuned for more updates coming your way soon.